Hello and hi guys, welcome back to Safety Tech. In this video, I will show you how you can add pricing tables like this in your WordPress page or blog using Divi Page Builder. To add similar looking pricing table in your WordPress blog, first you need to log into the dashboard. Once you logged into your site, go to Pages and click on Add New Page. Now add page title, I will add pricing and then click on Publish the page. After publishing, click on Use Divi Builder button. Now here you have to choose a layout. I will select Build from Scratch. Now here you have to select a row. I will select a single row from modules. Search pricing table. Here you can see the pricing tables module. Select this one. Now here by default you have two pricing tables. You can make it single. When you click on this delete button, you can see the only single table looking like this. If you want more, click on these duplicate icons, then you can see I have now added three different pricing tables. Now to edit these pricing tables, first we need to click on this gear button. Now add title, I will add standard. Now from subtitle I will add for beginners. Now here you can change currency sign and here you can change frequency. I will add for a year. You can change price, I will add 25. Here you can add the features like this. When you click on this plus button, it will appear like highlighted, and if you add minus with this sentence, it will appear like that, which means that this feature is not included. You can add not in it, but it will appear like that. Now go to design. From layouts, when you click on, you can see it appears as featured table, but I will not make it featured. Just go to bullets. You can change these bullets color. You can make it yellow, green or blue. I will add blue. From text, you can add shadow, but I will go to title text. Change title text color like this. You can add this background color. I will add this green background color. Change font to A12 and make its size to bold. Now change font color, I will add black. Now subtitle text, I will change font size and color. Now click on the stick button and go to this second column table. Go to title and change title. I will add premium. For intermediates, now change frequency, I will add per year, and price 50 is perfect. Now here I will add plus sign here and make this feature included. Now go to design, make this layout or this table to featured. Now click on the stick button and added last one. I will add ultra for experts and change frequency to year and price to 70. Now I will include all the features like this. I will change minus sign to plus and remove this text. Now click on the stick button and again click on this button. Click on these three dots and save the page. Now you have successfully updated the page. Click on this exit visual builder button. Now here you can see you have added three pricing tables. Here you can see the standard, the premium and ultra. The premium is now a featured box like this. That's how you can add a pricing table in your WordPress page or blog using Divi Builder. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel for updates about Divi Builder. Thanks for watching.